Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can install EXE apps and games on Android. So if you want to run Windows EXE files on your Android device, whether it's a PC game or a Windows app, this tutorial will show you the easiest ways to install and run the EXE files on Android. So by default, Android doesn't support .exe files since they are designed for Windows OS. However, there are workarounds to run exe apps or games on Android using emulators and compatibility layers. So the first method, you can use exe emulator such or WinLater, and it's best for games. So you can just download WinLater first. You can go to here, just find WinLater GitHub. Then you can just click on this page, and now you can just download the APK and OBB file from here. Open the WinLater after that and create a new container and add your exe file inside the WinLater folder. And after that, you can just launch the exe file and start playing. So you can running Windows games like GTA San Andreas, Need for Speed, or Age of Empires. Second method, you can use box 86 or box 64. It's best for performance. You can install Termux from Play Store. Here, just find Termux in here. I don't know what it's called, Termux or Term. This one, install it, and then you can just copy the exe file into the Termux storage. And if it's a game, you can install Wine or Proton for better compatibility. You can also use Crossover Wine for Android. So download Crossover from the codeweavers.com. Okay, this one right here. You can just install and launch the app after that, and select Run the Windows software and browse for your exe file and click on Install and Run. So in conclusions, the best method for PC games, you can use WinLater or DOSBox. For Windows apps, you can use Crossover or Box 86. And for lightweight exe files, you can use Termux with Box 86. So now you can install and run exe files on Android easily. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.